Just after Summer went missing in June 2021, authorities searched around her house on Ben Hill Road. This was the first time we got to see just how Summer and her brothers live. The house was cluttered, and we saw the steps to the basement, as well as a school bus on the property. Authorities searched totes, and all the vehicles on the property too, as well as the rough terrain that surrounds her house. The photos released showed a clothing rack, which had Summer's clothes on it. Lots of pink and purple clothing, which definitely seems to be for a little girl Summer's age. However, to my surprise, when Chris Mcdonough went to interview Candus Wells at the property, they had removed Summer's clothes and took over the rack with their own clothes. It was only about a month later. Where did they move Summer's clothes to? Did they give it away? Why did they take over the clothing rack so soon after she disappeared? Does it seem like a reasonable thing for them to do while their 5-year-old daughter is still missing? Some parents would say that they would never touch their missing child's things. I've seen parents keep their missing child's bedroom the same since the day they went missing for years on end.